Mike came in, and Mike is great with the kids. He brought his team in. They built a computer, a gaming computer for all the kids. And at the end, they decided that let's just raffle it off to the kids. So everyone got a number, and the gaming computers are not cheap.
And the kid took it home.
The kid took, they raffled it off, and a kid wound up going home with a camp, a gaming computer that probably costs
thousands of dollars.
It costs double the amount the parent paid for camp.
Right. And they got to take it home.
So the kid gets to take it home, and if they now have, he showed them the parts of the computer, how to handle it. If something breaks, this is what we do. It was really unbelievable.